students, very good morning to all of you, and I think that we will be doing today the live questions answer solving session for the chapter Solutions and Biomolecules. So quickly tell me, have you revised this chapter or not? Okay, so good morning Uday, good morning Samir, very good morning to all of you. Okay, so students, see, this two chapters biomolecules is very scoring, okay, and we very easily you can get good marks, and generally students feel difficult. Those students who haven't taken bio, the PCM students, find biomolecules little difficult, but trust me, if you just remember certain basic things, certain basic examples, then it becomes very easy to score this chapter, okay, or to crack this chapter. Good morning Shant, good morning WWE. Very good morning to all of you. So students, please tell me, how is your preparation going on? Board preparation, your KCET preparation, is everything on track, or you are finding any difficulty? Do let me know. So just yes. Good morning Ananya, very good morning to you. Yes, so students, we are, see, just 15 days left for our exam. Okay, please be very serious about your preparation. Try to study at least 8 to 10 hours. Try to solve previous year questions. Use our Brahmastra series to do more question practice. To master your MCQs, you can do the Chakravyuh series. So these all things will definitely help you to crack your exam, okay, with very good percentage. And remember, your target should be at least 290 plus in PCM. This will help you to get a very good rank in your KCET exam as well, because 50% weightage will be taken from here, right? So I hope that all of you are doing good and all of your preparation are going well, and we will be providing whatever is possible, okay, all types of classes, notes, revision, everything will be providing. So please subscribe the channel, be with us till the day of exam, and trust us, you will definitely end up with a very good percentage, very good marks if you follow our channel, okay? Yes. Ananya, this session is for KCET. Yes, this is for KCET. The questions will be from your KCET level, okay? Fine. Let's start with the first question here. So I have two chapters today, biomolecules and solutions. So I have taken 20 questions from both of them, and solution questions are bit tricky. They are not very direct. So I have brought very good questions for you people. Let's get started with the first question from biomolecule. Okay, so biomolecule, you will not be getting any tricky question. They will be direct questions. So the first question here is, amylose is a polymer of alpha D glucopyranose, fructose, beta fructose and beta D fructose. Quick answer for this question. Yes. Direct question. So whatever disaccharides, monosaccharides, polysaccharides you have, please make a table for that and learn it. Yes, now I want answers from everyone. Yes, Ananya, absolutely correct. A is the correct answer. Okay, sorry. Yes, A is the correct answer, alpha D glucopyranose. So amylose, okay, what are the things that you should know about amylose? Amylose is soluble, okay. It contains to 15 to 20% of the starch. It is a linear chain, okay, and it has C1 C4 linkage, okay, and it is made up of alpha D glucose or glucopyranose. Okay, these are the things about, quickly we can revise about amylose. Okay, next question number 2, the number of asymmetric carbon atoms in the glucose molecule is. So this question you can attempt if you know the structure of the glucose properly. Is it 1, 2, 4 and 5? What do you mean by asymmetric carbon? Asymmetric carbon is that carbon where the 4 different groups are attached. Okay, the 4 groups attached to the carbon are completely different from each other. Okay, this type of carbon is called as asymmetric carbon. So how many asymmetric carbons we have? Yes, Ananya is again correct here. Option number C is the correct answer. So if you see here, okay, so this is the structure of glucose. Okay, we have OH, OH, OH and OH, right, and this side we have hydrogens. So now you see this carbon, all the 4 groups are different, this carbon, all the 4 groups are different, this 2, all 4 carbons, all 4 groups are different, so it is an asymmetric carbon. Option C is the correct answer. Yes, all of you are correct here. Question number 3, lactose on hydrolysis gives you. So this is a very, very popular question. You can expect similar questions in your exam as well. Okay, so yes, well done students. So Shant, Pradeep, yes, Sri Gauri, all of you have given correct answer. Let's see the next question. What will be the byproducts of lactose on hydrolysis? Yes, students, tell me quickly. Yes, very good Uday, very good Uday, Shant, all of you are good. A galactose and a glucose molecule. So my suggestion for you all people, for disaccharides especially, please make a table like this, okay? Disaccharide, the monomer unit, okay? Then you have to write its reducing or non-reducing, okay? Then diagrams. So make a table like this and learn it. It will be very easy to remember, okay? And lactose you can easily remember, it has galactose, okay? Galactose H2SO4 is due to. So I'll tell you what is this charring product. Charring product means when you heat glucose, okay? Or when that glucose molecule undergoes decomposition reaction, okay? So here we get 6C plus 6H2O, okay? This is the charring reaction. Right, so you can see here water molecule is released out. So what type of reaction is this? Very simple one, this one. Water molecule is out. So what type of reaction will this be? Will it be an oxidation reaction, a reduction reaction, a dehydration reaction, or a dehydrogenation reaction? Water molecule has come out. You can easily see and guess. Yes, Ananya, Uday, both of you are correct. It is a dehydration reaction, okay? This question might be little bit confusing, but you should know what is the charring product, okay? Charring product means coal, carbon will be obtained, okay? Next question number 5, Fehling solution and Benedict solution are reduced by glucose to form what? So what is the byproduct of the Fehlings when Fehlings and Benedict solutions are reduced by glucose? This is a very tricky question, okay, and important where mistakes can be there. Yes, what can be the answer? Let me see who answers. So is it CuO, is it Cu2O, is it copper hydroxide, or it is copper? Yes, Uday is again correct, Samir is also correct. It is option number B, that is copper oxide. Cu2O, a red color precipitate, okay? Fine. Now moving to the next question number 6, the main structural feature of protein is? The structure, the protein structure is based on what? Is it ester linkage, ether linkage, peptide linkage, or all of this? Again, very easy question and direct questions, okay? In biomolecules, you can expect such direct to the point answer. So if you read this chapter, absolutely you can score full marks in this chapter. Yes, next question number 6. Yes, Uday, Sant, both of you are correct, peptide linkage. So if you know, we have a group like this, COOH, we have C, we have H, we have R, we have NH2, then we have NH2, okay? You have C, you have R, you have H, you have C double bond OH, okay? Now here what happens? H2O is removed from here, okay? Now you get a double bond here, CONH, okay? So this is your peptide linkage, option number C, okay? Next, question number 7, the destruction of the biological nature and activity of proteins by heat or chemical agent is? What do you mean, or what is the destruction of the biological nature and activity of proteins by heat or chemical agent is? Is it dehydration, denaturation, denitrogenation, or deamination? Yes, what can be the correct answer? When the protein loses its biological activity, what is it called? Yes, all of you are correct here, Uday and KH. Denaturation is the correct answer. Very good, students. Let's move to the next question. Secondary structure of the protein refers to, okay, so you know protein structure is divided into primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. So mainly denatured proteins and structure of prosthetic group, three-dimensional structure, especially the bond between amino acid residues that are distant from each other in polypeptide chain, linear sequence of amino acid residue in the polypeptide chain, the regular folding patterns of continuous portion of the polypeptide chain. Which one will be secondary structure of protein? Yes, students, can you answer this question? Very easy and direct question. Yes, Uday is correct again. 8D is the correct answer. Okay, so this linear sequence, this refers to the primary structure. 3D one, this refers to the tertiary structure. Okay, sorry, not tertiary, this refers to the quaternary structure. Okay, next question number 9. The hormone that helps in the conversion of glucose to glycogen is, which hormone is responsible? So in this chapter, the diseases caused by the deficiency of vitamins and the functions of hormones are very important. So which hormone is responsible for this one, you have to tell. Is it cortisol, bile salt, adrenaline or insulin? Hormone that is responsible, so you can see glucose is a type of sugar, right? So which hormone is related to sugar? Yes, D is the correct answer, insulin. Okay, KH will be D, that is insulin is the correct answer. Very good, students. Let's move to the next question. Nucleotides and nucleosides are mainly differ from each other in. So what is the difference between nucleotide and nucleoside? Is it the presence of phosphate group, presence of base units, presence of nucleic acids or none of the above? Okay, so what exactly differentiates between a nucleotide and a nucleoside? Yes, again this is very easy and direct question. Yes, students, quickly answer. These are direct questions, just one within 10 to 15 seconds you have to answer. See the question and you have to answer. No calculation, nothing. Yes, quickly. And students, please mention the question number and answer. Okay, mention the question number and answer. Yes, 10A is correct. Mohammed, you are wrong here. Presence of phosphate units. Okay, so what is nucleoside? See, nucleosides is sugar, okay, plus nitrogenous base. Okay, and what is nucleotide? Nucleotide is sugar plus nitrogenous base, okay, plus we have a phosphate group. Clear? So this is the difference, is the presence of a phosphate group. Yes, absolutely correct, all of you. Next, question number 11. The deficiency of vitamin E causes which disease? Rickets, sterility, beriberi or scurvy. Such type of questions are very common, so you should prepare them. Yes, quickly students, answer. Okay. Yes, Uday is again correct. Sterility is the correct answer. Okay. Rickets is by vitamin D, beriberi vitamin B, scurvy by vitamin C. Okay. Next, a vitamin which plays a vital role in the coagulating property of the blood. Okay. So blood coagulation or blood clotting. Which vitamin is responsible for that? A, D, E or K? Yes, all of you are doing good. Come on students, quickly answer this one. Yes, Shant Murthy S, please put the question number and answer so that I can know for which question you are answering. Okay, 12D, all of you are correct. KH, you are absolutely correct. Okay, next question number 13. Amylopectin is composed of, okay, amylopectin is composed of beta D glucose, C1, C4 and C2, C6 linkages, alpha D glucose C1 C4 and C2 C6, beta D glucose C2 C4 and C2 C6 linkage, alpha D C1 4 and C1 C6. So you should know amylopectin is a branched polymer of, it is a part of starch. Yes, so what linkage we have in that? Yes, 13D, Uday, absolutely correct. Shant, you are also correct. So alpha D glucose C1 C4 and C1 C6. Okay, so this is the linear linkage or the straight chain part, and this is the branched one. Okay, next is question number 14. Which of the given statement is incorrect about glycogen? It is a straight chain polymer similar to amylose. It is present in, so you have to find the incorrect statement. Be very careful in such questions. Incorrect is asked or correct is asked. It is present in some yeast and fungi. Only alpha linkages are present in the molecule. It is present in animal cells. Yes, which is the incorrect statement? Yes, quick answer, students. Quick answer. No. Shantmurti, it is incorrect. You have to find the incorrect statement about glycogen. It is a straight chain polymer similar to amylose. It is present in some yeast and fungi. Only alpha linkages are present. It is present in animal cells. No, Ananya, Uday, all of you are wrong here. Other students, please answer. Please answer. So listen, glycogen, okay, has a structure similar to amylopectin. Okay, amylose is branched, glycogen is also branched. What is the difference? Amylopectin is less branched, whereas glycogen is much more branched, but similar structure to amylopectin. Okay, the range of branching is different, or you can say this is much more branched, this is less branched, but yes, the similar properties is to amylopectin. So incorrect statement is option number A. Okay, this is all correct, students. Glycogen is present in animal cells, that is true. Alpha linkages are only there, alpha 1,4 and alpha 1,6 is present. It is also present in some yeast and fungi. Okay, all the options are correct. 14th A is the correct answer. Yes, Shantmurti and Uday have given correct answer now. Now 15th, glucose and galactose are having identical configurations in the positions except which position? So the glucose and galactose structures are exactly similar except at one carbon. Which carbon is that? Is it C4, C5, C2 or C3? Okay. This question you can only answer if you have drawn the structures of glucose and galactose. When you draw the the disaccharide, lactose disaccharide, at that time you can identify the difference. Yes, Uday is absolutely correct. Ananya is absolutely correct. It is C4. I will show you the structure. You can see this is the glucose and galactose structure. You can see this is C1, C2, C3, C4. Here OH is present in the alpha position. Here OH is present in the beta position. Okay, so that is the difference. Okay, very good. Next, question number 16. Maltose on treatment with dilute HCl will give you what? Okay, so when you treat with dilute HCl, that means you are breaking it or you are doing hydrolysis. Okay, so indirectly it is asking you what is the subunits or what is the monomer units of maltose. Is it D-lactose, D-glucose, D-glucose and D-fructose and D-fructose? Yes, students, quickly answer. Yes, Ananya. Next question. Yes, students, after this 20 questions will go to solutions chapter, and we have brought really very good questions for the solutions chapter. Yes, Uday is correct, Shantmurti, Mohammed, all of you are correct. Mohammed, it is not C, D, okay, D glucose, you have maltose, right? So correct answer is alpha D glucose. Okay, glucose and fructose will be produced from sucrose. Okay, clear? Okay, so this correct answer is option number B. Next question number 17, which of the following statements is not true about sucrose? Again, see, the statement here is not true about sucrose. So the glycosidic linkage is present between C1 of alpha D glucose and C1 of beta D fructose. Is this a correct statement or not? On hydrolysis, it produces glucose and fructose. Okay, and it is a non-reducing sugar. It is also named as invert sugar. Just check the connection. Is it C1 to C1? Yes, Uday. Yes, this is correct. 17th A is the incorrect statement. Other three statements are correct. So what is the connection here? C1 to C4, right? Can you tell me what is the connection in sucrose? Sorry, C2. Okay, C1 to C2. Okay, it has a C1 C2 bond. I think that is correct, right? Yes, all of you are correct, students. Absolutely correct. C1 to C2 linkage is there. Okay. No, Shantmurthy, in this one it is C1 to C2 linkage. It is C1 C2. Yes. C1 C2 linkage. Okay. Next question number 18. Among the naturally occurring carbohydrates, furanose ring is found in, okay, glucose unit of cane sugar, fructose unit of cane sugar, glucose unit of cellulose, galactose unit of lactose. Where will you find the furanose ring? Very simple, common sense question. Do not have to think anything. Yes, Mohammed, just two questions. We'll finish solutions biomolecules chapter and then we'll move to solutions chapter, where actually you have to sit with a pen and notebook and you have to calculate and solve the question. Yes, 18th B is the correct answer, Khushi. Very good. Fructose unit of cane sugar. Okay, so fructose unit of cane sugar is the correct answer. No, furanose is present in fructose ring. Okay, that is okay. Next question number 19. This is very important question. Mollis test is answered by. This is important question. Mollis test is answered by glucose, fructose, sucrose, or all carbohydrates. Mollis test is answered by yes, can we guess? Mollis test is answered by, yes, very good students. Kritik, everyone has given correct answer. Yes, it is all carbohydrates. Okay, but here you should remember that the monosaccharides, okay, monosaccharides react faster, okay, and the disaccharides react slower. Okay, correct answer is all carbohydrates. All of you are correct. Very good. Last question of biomolecules chapter. Ribose is an example of an aldopentose, ketohexose, aldohexose, or disaccharide. Ribose is an example of. So where do we find ribose? Ribose we find in DNA molecules, right? So what is it? Ribose is an example of. Yes, is it aldopentose or aldohexose? Yes, 20. Yes, very good. Aldohexose. Okay, the functional group present is aldehyde and there are 6 carbon, so that is why it is an example of aldohexose. Okay. Yes, artistic, we will do inorganic as well. Please do not worry, we will cover all the chapters. Okay, all the chapters will be covered. Okay. No, Mohammed, it is 20A. Okay. 20C, aldohexose. Ribose is a aldehyde functional group and it has 6 carbons in that, so that is why it is an aldohexose. Yes, all of you are correct. Fine. So students, now I want all of you to bring your notebook and pen. Okay, we are going to do calculations because this is solutions chapter, so some different types of questions are there, so please sit with a notebook and a pen if you haven't sitten yet. Okay, so let's start with the first question from solutions chapter. That is your, okay, which solution will have the least vapor pressure? Least vapor pressure. 0.1 m BaCl2, 0.1 m urea, 0.1 m Na2SO4 and 0.1 m Na3PO4. Which one will have least vapor pressure? Yes. Can everyone answer this question? Least vapor pressure. Very, very important question. Conceptually, you have to be very correct here. No. No. So students, see, I know all of you know this topic very well. Formulas are known, but this type of questions, be very careful. See, whenever we add a solute, okay, whenever we add a solute, vapor pressure will decrease. Right? Whenever you add a solute, vapor pressure will decrease. Now, the relative lowering of vapor pressure, that is delta P by P naught is equal to I into XB. Right? So, the relative lowering of vapor pressure, or you can say the lowering of vapor pressure is proportional to I. Right? So, wherever the I value will be more, there will be the relative lowering of vapor pressure will be highest. Relative lowering of vapor pressure, or you can simply think of lowering of vapor pressure will be highest. So in that case, the vapor pressure will be least. Okay. So here I value is 3, here I value is 1, here I value is 3, and here the I value is 4. So if you add this solute, the vapor pressure will decrease to the least amount. Okay, sorry, will decrease maximum. If it decreases maximum, that will have the least one. I hope this is clear. Please tell me if this is clear. These questions you should be very, very careful. Tell me students if it is clear or not, then I will go to the solutions chapter. All the questions are very tricky, very critical and important questions have been picked up. So please do let me know if you have understood this or not. Okay, SS blog has told me to repeat. Okay, I will repeat. See, so first thing that you should keep in your mind is whenever you add a solute to a solution, the vapor pressure will decrease. Clear? Now the question is which will have the least vapor pressure. So where the vapor pressure will decrease maximum, that will be the least vapor pressure. Now the vapor pressure decrease, you see this part is constant, right? It will depend on what? It will depend on this I value. If I value is more, that much lowering of vapor pressure will take place, that much least it will go, or that much maximum lowering of vapor pressure will take place. Okay. Students are not getting here. I am repeating it again. Please listen carefully. Let's see. If you have a solution, if you have a solvent, please understand all of you carefully. You add a solute to it. Whenever you add a solute, the vapor pressure will decrease. Okay. If you add a solute, the vapor pressure will decrease. Okay. Now the options that was given to you was BA. Now see, if you add more solute, then more vapor pressure will decrease, right? If you add more solute, more vapor pressure will decrease. Now the options was given BaCl2. Just imagine if it is BaCl2, it will break it like Ba2 plus and 2Cl minus. So I can say that I have added here 3 particles. Okay, 1 Ba2 plus and 2 Cl minus. So in option number A, see, in option number A, In option number A, I have added 3 particles. Okay, so in option number A, I have added 3 particles. What was the next option? It was urea, right? So urea will not dissociate. So here the number of particle was 1. Okay, number of particle is urea, you have added just 1 particle. Okay, now in the next one you have added Na2SO4. Option number C, you have added Na2SO4. That means what? You have added 2 Na plus and 1 SO4 2 minus. So I have added again on option number 3, I have added 3 particles. Now and option number 4, you have added Na3PO4. That means you have added 3 Na plus and 1 PO4 minus. So you have added 4 particles in option number D, right? So where you have added more number of particles, there the decrease will be maximum or not, right? So we have added more particles in option number D. So the vapor pressure will decrease more in case of option number D. Now tell me, is it clear? Now tell me, is it clear to everyone? Please put a thumbs up or tell me that you have understood, then I'll go to the next question, or else I'll explain once again. Yes, students, now tell me if it is clear to everyone. Yes, students, those who are watching, please put a comment quickly. Okay, fine. Very good, students. I hope you have remembered this one. So answer here is option number D. Okay. Now, if the question is having, okay, next question 22, the osmotic pressure of equimolar solutions of BaCl2, NaCl and glucose follow the order. You have to tell the order of the osmotic pressure of the given compounds. Vijay, the KCET Masterstroke will continue till your final exams, like before 26 we will try to end for PU2 chapters, and once the board exams are over we will restart it. Okay, we will try to finish all the PU2 chapters KCET questions before 26th by 26th of Feb. Okay. Yes, Rishik, Mohammed, all of you are correct. Again, osmotic pressure is equal to I into C into R into T, right? It is proportional to I. For BaCl2, I value is 3. For NaCl, I value is 1. And for glucose, the I value is 1. So 3, 2, 1, BaCl2, NaCl, glucose. Option number A is the correct answer here. Okay. Next question number 23. Which has the highest freezing point at 1 atm? This is also very tricky question. Very tricky question. Which will have the highest freezing point at 1 atm? You have 0.1 NaCl, 0.1 M sugar solution, 0.1 BaCl2, 0.1 FeCl3. Let me see who is answering this question correctly. Let me see who is answering this question correctly. Very tricky question. Please think about it. Think about it properly. When you add a solute, the freezing point decreases. When you add a solute, the freezing point decreases. Question is asking highest. Yes. I know many students will do wrong in this question. Okay, let me see how many of you have given correct answer. All of you, please put down your answers in the comment section quickly. I can find. Okay, see, students, again the same concept you have to think. When we add a solute, if you add a solute, freezing point decreases, right? If you add more solute, okay, more decrease will take place, right? More solute, if you add, more decrease will take place. Now let us see the first option. This part is constant, right? So I have added NaCl. For NaCl, it is like Na plus and Cl minus. So I can say that I have added 2 particles. Okay, so for suppose this was the freezing point of the solvent, okay, the original freezing point of the solvent. Now by adding this one, we decrease the freezing point, decrease to here. Clear? Suppose this one by option number A. Next, 0.1 M sugar solution. So in this one there is only 1 particle, it cannot dissociate. So less number of particle means less will be your what? Decrease in the freezing point. So this is by option number B. Next, BaCl2, you have added 3 particles here, right? So 3 particles means this was by 2 particles, this was by 1 particle, this one will be by 3 particle. The freezing point decreases here, okay, up to this much the freezing point decreases due to option number 3. And here we have 4 particles. If we have 4 particles means what? Further decrease will take place, right? So this is the, so if you have seen, suppose this was 0 degree, okay, so this one will be -1, this will be -2, this will be -3, -4. The question is asking now highest freezing point, where the freezing point is maximum. This is the freezing point maximum, that is option number B here. Yes, it is B. It is B, students. No confusion should be there. Please tell me, understand it carefully. If you add a solute, the freezing point will decrease, okay? If you add more solute, more decrease will take place. Now you added 2 particle, slight decrease happen. Here you added 1 particle, less decrease will take place. Here we added 3 particle, less decrease. 4 particle, least, like maximum decrease will take place. So where the freezing point will be highest? The freezing point will be highest here. Yes, tell me, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Just imagine the situation. I've drawn this so that you can understand it. I've given you numbers so that you can relate to it. Yes, very good students, absolutely all of you are getting it, I hope. Okay, let's move to the next question. Mole fraction of a solute in an aqueous solution which boils at 100.104 kb for 0.52, okay, mole fraction of a solute in an aqueous solution which boils at 100.104 and kb for the mole is given to you this much. Okay, so let me write down. The boiling point of the solution is 100.104, okay. kb value is 0.52 Kelvin molality inverse, okay. And you know, because it is an aqueous solution, so what will be the value of T naught be? 0 degree Celsius, okay. So you have to find the mole fraction. This is also a very important question. Let me see how many of you are able to answer. Please solve, start solving this one. Quickly you have to solve it, okay. So we know what is this concept. This is the concept of elevation in boiling point, okay. So here I have done a mistake. TB is 100 degrees Celsius, very sorry. TB is 100 degrees Celsius. So we know that delta TB is equal to KB into M, right. Now you see, what is delta TB? Delta TB is TB minus T naught B, or I can say that it is 100.104 divide minus 100. So how much it will be? It will be 0.104, okay. KB value is 0.52 into M. Molality we can find out from here. What will be the molality value? 0.104 by 0.52 is equal to M, or I can say M is equal to 0.2, okay. Molality is 0.2. I hope this much is clear, okay. Yes, Ananya, I wrote it, corrected it already, okay. So now see, this is molality value, but the question is not asking about molality. The question is asking about mole fraction. Here something you should know, the concept of molality. Now see, what do you mean by if I say 0.2 molality? Sorry, 0.2 molality. What does it mean? What is the physical meaning of this one? This means that 0.2 moles of solute in 1 kg or 1000 gram of solvent, right. Here solvent is water, right. So from here what I can get, see, number of moles of solute is 0.2, number of moles of solvent is 1000 by 18, that is given mass by molar mass. 1000 by 18, you should remember this value, it is 55.55, okay. Now you have to calculate, you got the number of moles of solute, got the number of moles of solvent, so you can easily calculate the mole fraction of solute. What is the mole fraction of solute? Number of moles of solute divided by number of moles of solute by number of moles of solvent. right? Now if I just solve this, 0.2 divided by 55.55 plus 0.2, that means 55.75. Okay, so I can just take it to 56 just for a round it off. I'll round it off to, for easy calculation, 55.75. okay, let me write down so that you don't get confused. Okay, this will come 50, so I can write it like 0.2 by 56, or I can write it by 2 by 560. Okay, 2 by 560 we can easily solve here, that is 2 divided by 560, or I can write it like 2 divided by 280, right? So 1 by 280. So you can see how much will go. If you just divide this one, you will find you will be ending up something around 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Yes, so students, please tell me if you are getting this answer or not. Please tell me if you are getting this answer or not. Any doubt in this question? Any doubt in this question? Let me know if you have any doubt in the question. Is it clear to all of you? Is this question clear? Up to this all of you can find out, no doubt in that. From here to this part, you should be knowing how to get this one. Okay, I hope all of you are getting. So students, see, we have found molality, right? 0.2. Shantmurthy, see here, we are getting 0.2 molality. What is the meaning, what is the physical meaning of 0.2 molality? It is 0.2 moles in 1 kg of solvent, 0.2 moles of solute in 1 kg of solvent. Question is asked to calculate the mole fraction of solute. Now what is mole fraction of solute? Number of moles of solute by number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. So I already got the number of moles of solute, that is 0.2. For we know the mass of the solvent, we know the molar mass of the solvent because it is given aqueous solution. So I can calculate the number of moles of solvent as well. Okay, so that after that you have to just substitute and calculate. Okay, I hope all of you have got this. Next we'll move to question number 25. Osmotic pressure of blood is 7.65 atm at 310 Kelvin. An aqueous solution of glucose that will be isotonic with blood is dash mass by volume. Again, this is also a tricky question. Yes, try to find out. Students, questions are not, I am saying you this type of questions will be asked in the exam, so think about it. You have to find mass by volume. Very easy question. Please try this question. We know what is the formula. Pi is equal to C into R into T, right? So C value is what? What is the formula? Number of moles of solute, right? Or I can write like this, not number of moles. I will write like given mass by molar mass, right, into 1000 by volume. Okay, this is C value. Then I have R value 0.08, T value is given to you 310 Kelvin, and here the pi value is given to you 7.65. Okay, now you have to solve what? Mass by volume, means this W by V term has to be solved here. What is the mass given? An aqueous solution of glucose is taken, right? So what is the molar mass of glucose? Molar mass of glucose is 180. So what I have to solve? 7.65 into 180. Okay, then divided by 1000 into 0.08 into 310. Okay, so first you can easily solve this. Yes, try to solve this without calculator, students. Please solve it without calculator. Yes, so how will I solve it? See, 765 divided by 100. I am writing this one like this. Then 8 by, I have into this 1000. Okay, into this 1000. Then I am writing this 8 by 100 because I get confused with the decimals. So I am making all decimal free. 180 by 310. Okay, So this 100 and this 100 we can cancel. Okay, now can we calculate it quickly and get what is the answer? Yes. Okay, so Rishik is correct here. Option number A will be the correct answer. So you can just do the calculation little bit rough. You can take it as 300, this one. Okay, 765 into divided by 1000, 1 by 8 into 180 divided by, just let us do it 300, then we can simplify the calculation to some extent. Okay, so like this you can calculate, and percentage is there, right? You have to multiply another 100, so these two will also get cancelled. So I have now 765 into 18 divided by 30 into 8 into 10. Okay, so I have simplified it. Further we can cancel with 5 6 are 30, here 5 1s are 5, I have 20, 153. Okay, yes, yes, very good. A is the correct answer. All of you are getting. The question is very simple here, direct question. Next question, the osmotic pressure of a 5% mass by solution of cane sugar at 150 degrees Celsius is. Okay, this is again important question. Question number 26, important one. Mass by volume, you have to understand what is this mass by volume. This 5% mass by volume is the thing that can create a I can say confusion. So let me know what is the correct answer here. Okay. Yes, Ananya, see, in chemistry, that is the beauty, I can say the beauty of chemistry, that all, see, the previous biomolecules question, you were easily able to solve it within 5 to 10 seconds, right? You will save a lot of time there, and that time you have to use in this type of calculation, especially for solutions chapter and electrochemistry chapter. Okay, so you have to do certain calculations definitely, but there are certain other questions, like majority of the questions are those which can be solved within 5 to 10 seconds. So the time that we are saving there has to be used properly for solving this type of numerical questions. Okay, so what is this 5% mass by volume? That means I have 5 gram of solute, that is your cane sugar, okay, in 100 ml of solution. 5 gram of cane sugar in 100 ml of solution. So I have to just find osmotic pressure. So pi is equal to C value. What is C value? 5 by cane sugar is 342, right? Given mass by molar mass, number of moles, into 1000 by volume of the solution is 100. Then R value, I'll 0.08, okay, and T value, it is 150. 150 plus 273, how much it will come? 234, 423. Okay, so for easy calculation, I'll do this, I'll cancel 5 into 10, I'll take this one, I'll put 8 by 100. Okay, then here I have 342, let me take it as 340, and 423, let me take it as 420, just for simplifying the calculations. Okay, so I have now 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So I have here 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 168 divided by 34. Okay, so what can be the answer here? So you can think 5 3s are 15, right? 4 3s are is 12, and 5 3s are something, and we have done some rounding off, so the answer will be somewhere near to 5. Okay, so the question answer here will be option number C. I hope all of you are getting it. Please do the calculation. Yes, let me know if this answer you are getting. Yes, Ananya is absolutely correct. Everyone is clear. This is direct question, only this part is what can be confusing, but I hope I have cleared it well. Please let me know. Let me know in the comment section if it is clear to all the students or not. Any students having any doubt, please let me know in the comment section quickly. Otherwise, we'll move to the next question. Okay, there is some network issue with me. Yes, I hope all of you have got it. Let's move to the next question. Okay. At Abu Mountains, water boils at 96 degrees Celsius. What amount of NaCl be added in 1 kg of water so that it boils at 100 degrees Celsius? For H2O, the Kb value is given to you. This is also very easy, I can say very tricky question. You know, at higher altitude the boiling point decreases, right? And we know that if we add solute the boiling point will increase. So I want to increase the boiling point from 96 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 96 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius the boiling point should increase. For that I need to add solute. So how much amount of solute has to be added to 1 kg of water? Very practical question. You have to imagine you have to increase the boiling point of water by adding solute. Which solute you are adding? NaCl you are adding. So how much you should add so that the value will become this much? Let me see who has done this calculation correctly. Yes, here some factor that you must consider. There are some factors that you must consider. See, we have delta Tb, okay. NaCl is an electrolytic solution, it will dissociate, right? So I into Kb into M. So delta Tb is what? 96 to 100 means 4, okay. I value for NaCl is 2, Kb value is 0.52, right? What is M value? M value is given mass by molar mass. I have to calculate this M value. What is the molar mass of NaCl? Sodium 23 plus 35.5, that is 58.5, 58.5, okay, into 1000. Okay, 1 kg of solvent is there, right? So I don't have to multiply into 1 kg. Okay, so that is not required. I will erase it. So we just have to solve this X value. We just have to solve this X value. So I will cancel this one. It will become 2, right? So 2 into 58.5 divided by 0.52. So if I just cancel this one, I'll get 0.26, right? So I have 58 divided by 10, 26 divided by 100. I do this because I get confused with decimals very easily. So I have 5850 divided by 26, okay? 5850 divided by 26. So now you can easily calculate this one, how much we will get. Yes, please do the calculation quickly. And tell me the answer, how much we are getting. We have yes, please do the calculation, direct calculation you have to do. 27B, I don't think so. Let us see. You can see 26, if I take 2s are 2 6 are 12, so it has to come in the first word, the first number has to be 2, right? And we don't have this option, we don't have this option. These two options are there. So just let me multiply here. So 26 2s are, we have 52. Again I am left with 60. Then I have here 26, I can take again 2 for getting 52. So the answer has to be 225, option number A here. Yes, all of you are getting correct. A is the correct answer. Next question number 28. This is important question. Okay, this formula might not be known to many of you. New formula question. Okay, new formula I'll tell you here. Osmotic pressure of 40% mass by volume urea is 164 atm and that of 3.42% cane sugar is 2.46 atm. When equal volume of the above two solutions are mixed, the osmotic pressure of the resulting solution is. So whenever there is two solutions which have different osmotic pressure and you are mixing equal volume of both of them, the final osmotic pressure will be equal to pi 1 plus pi 2 divided by whole 2. So can you just use this formula, and I want all of you to note down this formula as well. Okay, this formula please note down. So you have pi 1 value, pi 2 value, just divide by 2 and tell me the answer quickly. Yes, I hope that this question will be new for many of you, but yes, we should practice certain questions as well. Yes. How much we are getting, students? Please divide and quickly tell me how much you will get. Yes, Rishiken is correct. Option number D is correct answer, 2.05. So you have to do what? 1.64 plus 2.46. So you will get 4.1, right? 4.1 divided by 2 will be 2.05. Option number D. Yes, absolutely correct. Next question number 29. Molar depression of freezing point of water is 1.86 degrees Celsius per 1000 gram of water. Okay. So what is your Kf value? 1.86 degree Celsius. 0.02 mole of urea. So number of moles of solute is how much? 0.02. Moles of urea is dissolved in 100 gram of water. What is the number of moles, mass of solvent? Mass of solvent is 100 gram. Will produce a lowering of temperature of. So what is your lowering of temperature? Means you have to find delta Tf in this case is equal to Kf into m. So just substitute the values and tell me the correct answer here. Students, please answer with the question number, or else it is very difficult to know which question you are answering. Yes, this is direct formula based question. Formula based question. Yes, yes, all of you are correct. Very good, very good. B is the correct answer. So just you have to substitute. Kf is 1.86, right? Molar number of moles is 0.02, okay, into 1000 by mass of the solvent is 100. So if I solve this, I will be getting 0.372. Yes, absolutely correct. All of you are getting correct answer. Next question number 30. When 1.04 gram of BaCl2 is present, okay, this is present in 105 gram of a solution, the concentration of the solution is, okay, so sorry, one second, this is 10 to the power of 5, okay, in terms of ppm. When 1.04 gram of BaCl2 is present in 10 to the power of 5 gram of a solution, the concentration of the solution is. So you know what is the ppm formula? Mass of the solute, mass of solute by mass of solution into 10 to the power of 6. This is the formula for ppm. So the mass of the solute is given, mass of the solution is given. So I think very easily you should be able to calculate this one. Yes. So what is the mass of the solute? It is 1.04. Mass of the solution is 10 to the power of 5 into 10 to the power of 6 for converting in ppm. So this one will give me 10. So that means 10.4, option number B. Yes, those are saying B, it is correct. Next question number 31. Freezing point of an aqueous solution is given to you. The elevation in boiling point of the same solution would be. Very, very interesting question. Interesting question. Easy also as well. Just have to solve it. You have been given with the freezing point of an aqueous solution. You have been given with TF value, that is minus 1.186 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is TF value. The elevation in the boiling point, so you have to calculate delta TB. Okay, one second. You have to calculate delta TB for this one. Kf value is given to you 1.86 and Kb value given to you 0.512. So now can you easily calculate this one? We have this formula, right? Delta TB is equal to delta TF is equal to, see, Kb into m divided by Kf by m. I just divided the formula of delta TB and delta TF. So mm will get cancelled. So what will be left with me? I will be left with KB by KF. Okay. Now what is the value of delta TF? The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius, right? So 0 minus 180 degrees Celsius. So it is this one, delta TF is equal to 0 minus 0.186 degree Celsius. That will give me plus 0.186 degrees Celsius. Okay. So we have here delta TB is equal to 0.186 degrees Celsius is equal to KB value. What is the KB value? 0.512 and KF value is 1.86. Just calculate this and tell me quickly. I think all of you can do this calculation. Students, if you are liking the session, please show your love and let me know if you are able to solve the questions, if the questions are interesting or not. Yes, solve it and tell me, students, how much we are getting. Yes, I think all of you are getting correct answer here. Yes, B is the correct answer. Very good, very good. Option number D, B is the correct answer. Okay. Now next question. Osmotic pressure of a solution density is given containing 3 gram of glucose in 60 gram of water at 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is also important question. Easy question, just the concept of density is used. Let me see, is it 0.34 atm, 0.65 atm, 6.25 atm or 5.57 atm? Yes, let me know the answer. I am waiting for all of you to calculate. So by that time, let me write down molality, or sorry, osmotic pressure, right? So we have osmotic pressure, pi is equal to C into R into T. Okay, pi value, C value is what? 3 gram of glucose given mass by molar mass, okay, into 1000. Okay, see, 60 gram of water is there, right? And density is also given, so I can say that density is equal to mass by volume. Now what is volume? So we have to calculate volume. Volume will be mass by density. So what is mass? 60 gram. What is density? 1 gram per ml. Okay, so I can say that the volume is 16. Okay, then I have R value is 0.08 and T value is 273 plus 15, means 273 plus 10, 283 plus 5, 288. Okay, so can we solve this and tell me what is the answer? Yes, Tilak, definitely these type of questions will be asked in your numericals, in your board exams as well, okay, even in your KCET examination. Yes, please do this calculation quickly. So let me try as well. So I will put first all the decimals so that I can cancel. 3, 180, 1000, okay, 60, I have 8, I'll write it as 8 by 100 into 288. So what I can do, I'll cancel 2 zeros here, I can cancel 1 0 here, then I have 3 1s are 3, 2 20s are 60, then I have 4 2s are 4 5s are, I have 2 1s are 2 9s are. So I have here 288 divided by 45, okay. So you can see here 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are, so something 6 point something should come, right, 6 point something. That means option number C has to be the correct answer here, I guess. Yes, students, please do the calculation and let me know if we are getting 6.25 or not. You don't have to do the full calculation, just you can check the options and tell me. Yes, Ananya, that is absolutely fine. When we take this R value, different students can take different value. You have to check the most. So 6 point you are getting something, and there is only one option where you have 6 point something. So you can easily, definitely you can go for this one. Okay. Okay, next question number 33. So we are done with the numerical questions. Now mostly questions will be on the basis of your ideal solutions, non-ideal solutions. Okay, let us do some theoretical questions of the solutions chapter. Okay, next first question. Acetic acid on dissolution in benzene will show. This is very important question. Very important question and tricky question. 2 times of its normal molar mass, its normal molar mass, half of its molar mass, none of the above. Very important question. Yes, Rishik, definitely we will be making that as well. Practical questions for KCET examination videos also will be making. Okay, so students, please let me know in the comment section if you are getting all the questions or not, if you are enjoying the sessions or not, if the numericals were of a little tricky, higher level or not. Please give me your feedback in the comment section. 33A, who has given this answer? Uday has given the answer. Yes, definitely Uday, this is the correct answer for the question. Because now see, you know that acetic acid on dissolution undergoes dimerization. Okay, undergo dimerization means 2 molecule has now become 1 molecule, right? If one of the molecule mass is 50 gram, now 2 molecules will combine and will behave as 1 molecule, so the mass will become 100 gram. So that means it will double itself. So correct answer is option number A here. Okay, yes, very good. Next question number 34. Solutions distilled without change in composition at a temperature are called as. The solutions which cannot be separated through distillation are called as what? Amorphous, azeotropic, ideal or supersaturated solution. Very direct question, this one. Quickly you should be able to answer. Yes, students, quick. Should not take more time. Such type of questions should be solved within 5 to 10 seconds. I am not receiving any answer. Just a minute, let me refresh. Yes, very good. Ananya and Uday, both of you are correct. This is azeotropic mixture. Okay. Okay. Next question number 35. 2 solutions have different osmotic pressure. The solution of lower osmotic pressure will be called as, what will be the solutions of lower osmotic pressure called as? Isotonic, hypertonic, hypotonic or none of these. Okay, very definition based easy question. All of you can answer quickly. Sorry students, yes. 35C, yes, very good. Hypotonic is correct. SS Blocks and Ananya both have given. Hi Anurag, welcome to the session. And yes, 35C is the correct answer. Next 36, at high altitude the boiling point of water occurs at lower temperature because of atmospheric pressure is low, temperature is low, atmospheric pressure is high or lower temperature. This is also, I can say, an important plus concept based question. Let me see who is answering this one correctly. Yes, you know the definition of boiling point, right? So boiling point is that point or that temperature at which the atmospheric pressure is equal to the vapor pressure of the liquid. Okay, so what exactly, why the solution? Yes, 36A is the correct answer. Yes, 36A is the correct answer. Atmospheric pressure is low, so easily the vapor pressure will also be lower. At that point they will match, so at a lower pressure we can boil the substance. So option number A is the correct answer. Yes, very good. So students, I hope that all of you have understood this concept, but I want to explain it once again to everyone. See, when you are at a high altitude, okay, high altitude. The atmospheric pressure, okay, the pressure of the atmosphere outside is less. Like for example, so we'll do, this is at high altitude, this is at sea level, means the normal ground level, okay. So here also we are boiling. So here the atmospheric pressure is 1 atm, and here the atmospheric pressure, let it be 0.76 atm, right. Now both the liquids are boiling. So when the vapor pressure here will be equal to 1 atm, then only the liquid will start boiling, and when the vapor pressure here will be equal to 0.76 atm, then the liquid will start boiling. So because it is a lower pressure, lower pressure will be reached easily, right. We will reach 0.76 atm faster than 1 atm, right. So 0.76, once it is reached, the liquid will start boiling. So at a lower temperature the liquid can boil, okay. I hope okay. So yes, that is the thing, that is why the boiling point decreases. Next, question number 37, the factor delta TF by KF represents. Okay, multiplex Thor Anurag, okay, there are not enough PYQs for Comet K ma'am on our Deeksha Karnataka channel, how to do more practice. Anurag, do not worry, we will be starting the Comet K session very soon, okay. So you have now, I think Comet K PYQs of chemistry are available, you can practice that for now, and we are soon launching the Comet K session as well, okay. So do not worry, very soon we will be doing that. Okay, this question 37D, molality, yes, option number D is correct. We know delta TF is equal to KF into M, right. So what is M value? Delta TF by KF, yes. Next, question number 38, when a sugar solution is slowly frozen, the solid which separates out is, okay. So when you are freezing the sugar solution, okay, ice will be formed. So where will the ice, what is that ice made up of? The solid form, that is the solid which separates out, is it ice, or is it a solid solution of sugar and ice? Is it only sugar, or a compound formed from sugar and water? What will separate out? What will separate out? Yes, students, last two questions, let us do it quickly. No dear, it's Maddie, it's wrong. The correct answer for this question is option number A, okay. So you have ice, only the solid water ice will be solidified. So the correct answer here is option number A. No, it has to be option number A. Please check your answers here. Ice will separate out. Okay, ice will separate out. Option number A is the correct answer. Okay, the sugar present there will try to reduce the freezing point, but the solid that is formed, it will be made up of ice. Okay, next, last two questions. Osmotic pressure of a dilute solution is directly proportional to. Osmotic pressure of a dilute solution is directly proportional to diffusion rate, ionic concentration, boiling point, flow of the solvent from a concentrated solution. Depends on what? Yes, students, quick. Yes, what is the answer for this one? Diffusion rate, no. Solute does not undergo diffusion. Flow of solvent, no. We have this formula, right? Pi is equal to C into R into T. Concentration term is there, right? The solute can be ions also. So it is, in this question it is given, when it is given dilute solution, okay, the most of the solute will get dissociated if the solute is, if it is diluted. So it is concentration which is affecting, right? Whether it is ionic, non-ionic, doesn't matter. Concentration is the factor which will affect. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. So here the thing, see, just by writing, if it is written only concentration, I am very sure that most of you will get the answer correctly. But if it is mentioned ionic concentration, we get confused, right? So please avoid these type of confusions. Last question. Boiling point of water is defined as the temperature at which. We have just discussed this question. I hope all of you will be able to give the answer for this one. Yes. Yes, Ananya. Very good. I hope you get it. Okay, next question, last question. Yes, SS blocks 39B is the correct answer. 40th one, yes, 40th one, A is the correct answer. Vapor pressure of water is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Okay, option number A is the correct answer here. Yes. Okay, students, that's all in this session. We have done 40 questions and I hope that you have learned something new, some new formulas you would have addressed today, how to do the calculations, how to manage time. We will be learning with time, do not panic. And now students, if you have any particular problem you want to discuss with me, you can comment down. If you want to ask anything, you can also let me know. I'm waiting here, or else we can wind up this session. Okay. Yes. And I really wish that you all are putting your 100% efforts in this time. Okay, please study for more hours, do all the high weightage topics, practice your previous year questions, do writing practice, especially for your board exams. Okay, thank you Ananya, thank you so much. Okay, so any concern you have, do let me know, or else we will be ending up this session. Thank you Rekha, thank you so much. All the best all of you students. Yes, SS blocks 40A is the correct answer. Okay. Any concern regarding your preparation, students, do not worry, we all are here. Okay, you just have to put your 100% efforts for the next 2 months, I can say, till your KCET exam, till your board exam. Put 100%. Okay, here I have a question from It's Maddie. Ma'am, by doing previous year PYQs we can increase the score. Yes, definitely Maddie, you will be able to increase the scores. Practice PYQ questions. Okay, Uday, see, the problem here in this type of session, we are giving you more calculation based question, right? We have given almost out of 20 questions, 12 questions were calculation based, right? But in your exam you won't be getting like that. Okay, from the solution there will be 5 questions, out of which 2 will be numerical and 3 will be numerical, 2 will be theoretical, like this. So you won't be getting this many numerical questions at one go. Okay, so and that is the first thing, so you do not have to worry for the KCET examination calculation part especially. And the second thing is you have to do certain round of thing. Okay, suppose it is given 322, just round it off to 320. So some easy round of things should be done so that it will help you to cancel the terms, to do easy calculation. Okay, and one more third step that you can follow is do not use calculators. Okay, please try to practice without calculators. We are so much addicted to calculators that we, even for simple calculations, we use that. Okay, so please avoid this, follow these steps, you will be definitely able to score better. Okay, okay. Ankush, ma'am, board exam tips. So Ankush, for board exam, please do not worry. For chemistry, if you want any suggestion, I'll be telling you. First, do all the PYQs of last 5 years. My recommendation is you can purchase the Jivit book. It has very good year-wise questions. So first, please practice that. After PYQs, do all the 3 model test papers of chemistry. Okay, and once you are done, okay, just go and watch our Brahmastra series in chemistry. I have given you 40 plus questions in each of the chapters. Okay, so just start revising questions from right now, then definitely you will be able to solve all the questions. Okay, thank you Uday, thank you so much. Maddie, numericals for boards, see, numericals for boards will be very easy. Solutions, from solutions chapter you can expect colligative questions, chemical kinetics, the first order or the Arrhenius equation questions, and from your electrochemistry, Nernst equation and Gibbs free energy, Faraday's law questions will be asked. Yes, I hope I have cleared all your doubts, students. Any other things you want to ask, please let me know. Okay, I think that's all. I'm not receiving any more comments. Okay. Thank you students, that's all then. Okay, so if you have any other doubt, you can put in the comment section, main comment section of this video. I'll definitely address to it. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your love and support. Please subscribe the channel. We will be posting so many important contents which will help you in your preparation for KCET and PU. Yashas, these are not exactly PYQs, but similar questions have been asked in the PYQs. Okay, PYQs we have already done many times in our sessions in KPL and all we have given you, so that is why we are not taking PYQs again. But yes, PYQs type questions are there. Maddie, you can watch my Brahmastra session for DNF block. You will get all the board questions, important part. All the board questions are available there. So please do watch that. Just search in our channel Brahmastra series DNF block. You will get a very good video on that. Okay. Yes, that's all students. Then please take care of your health, take care of your studies, physically fit, and put your 100% efforts. Okay, that's all I want to say. All the very best. If you want any other help, do comment down in the comment section. I'll address to it. Take care and bye bye to all of you. See you soon in the next class. Okay, bye bye.